First of all, you have to create a new design by clicking this plus button. There are already templates available from where you can choose, like you can create a presentation. Template is already available. Then go to custom size. For this particular activity, we are using same width and length, that is 1080, and unit is pixels, that's an px. Then we are going to create new design. Click on the background, and here it background color will appear here. From here you can choose any solid color as well, but for this particular activity we will be using gradients. These all are linear gradients. We are not going to use linear gradients. Scroll down and you will see all gradients. Choose any one of these. Now go back, scroll up, and here there are two colors, and as you see, zero, all zero for black and all F for white. So all colors are made up of RGB, like red, green, and blue. So every color has an RGB value. This is RGB combination. You don't have to dig deep into these, but you have to, what you can do, you can search on Google for the RGB values for a particular color. Pro tip is that whenever you start designing a poster for that particular topic, you have to search its color palette and their RGB values. Now you can see there are a lot of colors that are related to coffee, and their corresponding RGB values are here. So what we are going to do is to edit these colors, which are already provided in the slides. I'm just going to copy paste from here. Then choose the style. This is linear gradient, 90 degree, 180 degree, then we have 135. This is circular. For this particular activity, we are going to use circular. Better to have dark color on the corners and light color in the middle. Now next step is to add an element. You can search for any element here. You can browse in graphics and photos. Better if background color is white. The one without crown are free ones. The one with crown are premium, so you have to pay for it, so you cannot use it in free version. Another tip is you can go to Google and search for a coffee cup. You can search for anything and with transparent background. You can download the image and then you can remove the background. Like for example, if I choose this image and I'm going to save it, make sure it is saved as JPG or PNG file. Okay, this one is JPG file. I'm going to save it. Now you can open another tab and you can search for remove background or just type remove.bg. Upload the image here and remove its background. So its background is removed and now we can download it. Here you will see uploads option. Just upload this here and you can then use it as an element in your design. So it's being uploaded. So here we are. Make it center align and leave some space for text up and down. Now we are going to add text. For that you have to add a text box and increase the font size. Make it on next line. Change its font, which is already mentioned in the slides. Select your text and then change its font. Make it bold. Make this center align as well. Now if you don't have any logo created yet, what you can do is you can choose from elements. Go to graphics. It match this color theme also and you can make it logo as well. Change its color so it can be visible. So again, you can search for color palette and you can have any of these RGB values. There is a lighter shade of brown for visibility. This one look visible. Also you can again search from here for the elements. Again, change its color to a lighter shade. Add a text. From here, you can set the alignment. Make it left aligned and change its font. Make it bold. You can try other fonts as well. Then you can add a element which will first attract your attention. For that you have to go to tools and then shape, add a shape, change its color to red, make its size a bit smaller, then add a text. This is the RGB value of red, plus pure red. So now it looks much better. It looks catchy as well. Next, what you can do is to add your details. Like if you are running a coffee shop, you can add your social media handles like Instagram, Twitter, or any other social media handle. I'm going to add this one, and you have to add it here. For Twitter, this one, and WhatsApp. You can also group elements. I'm going to select these and here. Group them so I can move them at the same time and resize simultaneously. If this doesn't look good to you, what you can do, you can go to tools, you can add a shape, a circle, make its color beige, ungroup these. I'm going to place, ungroup. I'm going to place it here. It is at the back. So what we have to do, we will go to layer and bring to front. Now it is visible. If the element isn't visible, what you can do is to make it on the front. This looks much better. Repeat the same steps for the other social media handles. It's at the back, isn't visible, bring to front, change the colors. Again, you can copy this and paste it here, place it here, bring to front, change its color, and now you can group them. Now you can resize it. Now last thing, you can add your phone number here. Again, go to elements, search for phone. I'm going to ungroup it and copy this shape, and then again I'm going to group it. Change its color to brown or maybe dark red. Now add a text box. You will enter contact here. For visibility, I'm choosing one of the lighter colors. Reduce its text size. So here you go. It's all set. Just this I'm going to place a little above, and these ones a little down. So this way you can design. Here we are using gradients, elements, tool, shapes, text box, and we are keeping in mind design principles. So whenever a user will see this poster, he will first be attracted by this 50% off thing, and then its retention rate will increase.